Look what I literally just came home from Walmart with. Stay tuned because I'm gonna try them out. Hey my friends, welcome back to my channel. So I literally just got home from Walmart and I found these two items on the shelf and I've never seen them before. Now I've had the Halo Top ice cream and I really do like it, but I've never seen the cookie mix or the brownie mix. So in today's video, I want to try both of them out. Let me know in the comments below if you like the Halo Top ice cream. Also, let me know if you've seen these in your stores. So let's go ahead and get started. I think the first one I'm gonna try out is the brownie mix, just because I can let this bake while I put together the cookies. But all you need is a cup of water, 3 tablespoons of oil, and 1 egg. I said 1 cup of water, but it's actually a 1/4 cup of water. So let me get this put together. All right, now here's the brownie. And let me start off by saying they look much more cakey than the Ghirardelli brownies that I absolutely love. Ghirardelli brownies are my favorite. So I'm gonna try this one. Like I said, it looks pretty cakey and dry, honestly, but let's see the flavor. The flavor isn't bad. Now I cooked it for the least amount of time it said to cook it. Actually the flavor isn't bad. If I made these again, I would probably cook them a little less so that they're a little more gooey than cakey. But, I mean, if you just need a brownie fix, it might suffice. I would say this would be good. Because actually on the box, on the back, it says pairs well with others. They may be onto something. So I would say if you're gonna do the brownie, get the Halo Top ice cream as well, so you can have kind of like a brownie sundae, and that would actually be really good because Halo Top ice cream is really good. So my suggestion is to pair this, like the box suggests, with their vanilla ice cream. I think that would be good. So I'm gonna put these in a bag and I'm gonna get some Halo Top vanilla this weekend, and yeah, probably put this together. So now let's go to the cookies. Now the only cookie dough that I saw was the peanut butter chocolate chip kind, which is fine with me because I love peanut butter and chocolate chips. So for this, you need 3 tablespoons of butter or margarine and 3 tablespoons of water. And one thing it does say is that you are going to melt the butter, and you have to let the butter cool after you've melted it so that it doesn't melt the chocolate chips. Okay, let me get these put together. All right, so here is the cookie. and it looks brown, so I don't know if it's supposed to look this brown, but I only cooked it, it said 12 to 15 minutes, and I only cooked it for 12 minutes, so I don't think I overcooked it. Plus, it's still pretty soft. So let's give it a try. That's really good. I could totally eat this in place of cookies that are not as good for you. Peanut butter has a really good flavor. This is really good. So I give this a 5 out of 5. These are good. Okay, so I want to compare. I actually have this Nestle Toll House. This is the best cookie ever. So I am going to compare. So I guess this is per cookie. This has 80 calories and this one has 120 calories. Total fat, this has 2.5 grams of fat. This has 6 grams of fat. Saturated fat, 1 gram. Saturated fat, 2.5 grams. This has no cholesterol. The sodium's a little less. Now the carbs, this has 18 carbs and this has 17 carbs, but this has 6 grams of fiber and this one doesn't have any. So this is less carbs. Now it says total sugars are 4, including added sugars of 3. So I don't really know what that means. Total sugars on this is 10. So this has less sugar, including 10 grams of added sugars. I don't know what that means. Maybe you can explain it in the description box. So yeah, Halo Top. Now, granted, they're 2 different kinds, but I mean, I can't imagine them being that different. So yeah, these are really good. I recommend if you are looking for a cookie that's gonna be less sugar, fewer carbs, less calories, then these are a really good option. All right, there you have it. So the winner for sure is the cookie. Let me know in the comments below if, like I said earlier, if you've ever tried these. What is your favorite flavor of Halo Top ice cream? Let me know that as well. So with all that said, I hope I helped you be able to find a nice little treat that isn't as high in sugar. But if you're new to my channel, thanks so much for stopping by. I really am glad that you are watching till the end. If you have not yet, please click that subscribe button, click the bell button so you don't miss any of my videos, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because it does help me out with YouTube, and every new subscription helps me reach my goal of 4,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you want more, not quite so low sugar dessert ideas, then make sure that you click on the box that you see on the screen right now, and I will see you next time. Bye.